Hi guys, Dio here. Today we are going to be taking some pieces of nature and making actual nature scenes. So yeah.
Lead on, because we're Moreland's kids. Lead on, and we know where we're going.
Before we get started with our craft activity, we need to talk about this week's habits and qualities, which are decide and plan and responsibility. So for deciding and planning, once you have all of your nature pieces, you just want to decide and plan and map out where you'd want to put all of your leaves or flowers or whatever you can collect. And for responsibility, we just want to keep in mind that we want to be respectful of our environment, even though that is not one of the points under responsibility. But we do have a responsibility to our environment and making sure that we're not just picking pieces off of the trees outside, or maybe picking leaves off of your mom's plant or something like that. We just want to be respectful, and that is one way that we can be responsible. So yeah, we can get started. Okay, so some of the materials you're going to need for this are construction paper. You might need some scissors. You will definitely need glue. You might also need some markers, and of course you will most definitely need your pieces of nature, so like leaves, flowers, whatever else you guys can find. So it's dried up a bit now, but here it is. Here's a comparison between the two, but if you guys are able to make this craft, we'd love to see your guys' take on it and what kind of nature things you guys are able to pick up. But yeah, that's it from me, guys. Thanks.